So this is the removable panel, I'm guessing, where they mounted the sub?
Yeah, it's so I can clean it.
There you go.
It's got like a HVAC seal that you use. It's a pressure seal.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. A Tocomma build. All right. So what's your name real quick and what's in here, man?
I'm Pat. Okay. It's I believe it's a Scar. It's a 3000 max Scar 15 and a 4
Is it a
box.
VVX or ZVX?
ZVX.
ZVX, okay. And what was your amplifier?
It is a Terramp 3 Smart 3.
Okay. Oh, I see it down there by the battery.
Yeah. And I have an LC3 because some of the sound wasn't.
Yes, sir. And is this a Group 34 AGM or what size?
I think it's a 35.
Okay.
I'm not sure.
That's all good. And do you have a big 3 or a stock alternator or any upgrades in the front?
Big 3.
Big 3, okay.
Going straight to the battery.
Yes, sir. All right. Who built the box?
Me and my cousin, the one that did the truck.
Okay. And is this fourth order or ported?
Fourth.
Okay, I'll look at it. I would like.
Walk around, you can get a whole picture of it.
Yeah, man, that's what I want to check out, the whole side over there, where all your stuff is. Very nice. So this is the removable panel, I'm guessing, where they mounted the sub?
Yeah, it's so I can clean it.
There you go.
It's got like a HVAC seal that you use. It's a pressure seal.
I see it. Yeah, you got a seal around it to make it the bandpass. And you got better bandwidth with it that way instead of just a ported enclosure.
Yep.
Very nice. Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. So a quick little commentary I like to do before the bass demo. This is Pat's system. Shout out to you, man. You did a good job showcasing it. Everybody go ahead and give Pat a like if you haven't already and comment what you think about his system. Please be positive. I like to showcase every variety of system sizes and magnitudes, including the single subs such as these. So this is a single 15-inch subwoofer 4th order bandpass enclosure in a sealed section right behind the panel here. I also have some extra 2-minute video clip footage I'm going to be putting at the end of the video for you to see this little nice stunt wall that has 2 songs that he'll play for me, and it had to do with a little bit of copyright you'll see there. So right behind this baffle panel of this single 15-inch subwoofer 4th order is the sealed section as he was talking about. So he did a good job sealing it off. I couldn't get my phone into that port to show you how the subwoofer's mounted, but it's right there behind the panel. So this is at the Ruckus and Chill Show in Fayetteville, North Carolina of 2021. We're going to go ahead and get to the bass demo now. Stay tuned for more videos and subscribe and enjoy the demo.
It blows. I get it. Probably out here.
All right.
awesome. Thank you for the demo, man.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.